biamo you know me and the jam the tea fake come na bene ka me yasa mama na beka no what kokko ba bin jo nkwante nkwando e wi ne ngwa ne telefon agbo ne le ma ne be kokko ne telefon kan ta ngpo ne ya yemme le fukan jo ben bene ko wala kai kanyang ne wo aka do wo mambo ono bora pombo ya tikati na buga ba ya bi technology ya wala ba na kanye memene ya san ya manda ka plan wo ka ba manda ka ba do tebor wona nga bona nkan to da mene ya aya kwe ya na mene wo maka ale na ne tlan bano nsa wo ne kan na to ya kana ba chate chuche ka ba wala le nasara le ka daga te wala daga te ka do ya ne mambo bre ne le Baasare po to you're welcome, bro.
Welcome to.
How's everything?
Everything is going on well.
My name is Thomas.
My name is Roxanne Kojedebra.
Thank you very much. You're welcome to Tampa TV GH.
Okay.
I'm here today to interview for you to address us about this, let's say, your practical board. So that is the reason that we are here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, and I greet your viewers for this opportunity. Well, Deroko Technology is a newly established company to fight climate change worldwide, and that is why we are coming out with powerful 7 inventions to solve the world climate change challenges. But right now, there is the device that will save the world from electrocution, fire outbreak, and other stuff.
Okay.
And the newly invention, talking of the AI distribution board, will also take the lead of all technological systems.
Okay.
What we are trying to tell the world is that we need to move from the analog system to the digital system.
Okay, please. So this is analog.
This is analog,
And
purely
this
analog.
is digital.
Digital.
Okay. So we are moving from here
To
this
this
place.
place,
All
yes,
right.
sir.
So we are here. Move on. Move on.
Okay. The reason why we need to move from the analog system to the digital system is because in the analog system, when one device is faulty,
Okay.
the whole system is danger, and it can lead to fire outbreak and electrocution.
Okay.
You can explain it in your
Okay. All right. And abiam what la kele mwele say aya bon ke pe do ya ye o mele ne san anwini wo Nigeria to kokobla bi analog to on potili tenen do tingal ne ke ngane ya mpo ma kokwa ne yakasa fake ne yakasa fala ka gra poayen ne o ya pe esa wo ne ya wo enno ke kecha amon fole chile mo mboro obelemba continue bro.
Okay. So this means your water pumping machine can electrocute you to death.
Okay.
Your water pumping machine can leak current or electrify its surroundings in the well.
Wow.
Of which no device is on this analog to tell you that there is danger at hand, and it will electrocute everything. So somebody, when the water pumping is on, when somebody is bathing or let me say cooking using electrical appliances, that person can be electrocuted to death.
Wow.
This is the practical demonstration of how dangerous the analog system can be.
Okay.
How dangerous the analog system can be. When we turn on the analog system, we can see clearly that the water pumping machine is on,
Yeah.
and the water pumping machine is silenced.
Okay.
The silence of the water pumping machine does not
But
mean.
let me ask a question. Why is this silence without making noise? I didn't hear any noise here.
Yes, because there is no device here to detect the danger
Okay.
on board.
Okay.
Then and the breakers in this distribution board will not
Please,
trigger off.
let me explain it to my
Okay.
people. Nabiam, please come a little bit. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Only like we say analog system will tell you what they are. Pumping machine won blend the bank turn catcha young kapu yum kenye. Every bamboo, Alakai company, the public lab banner, pumping machine ya boy. Alakai yellow folk till Alabako borrow neba. But no one can wire cocoa people in the chile. Young folk and cocoa people can know how walk Cocoa can be. Mumbo Alaque analog, one or the Unyana do catch it in the band where Alankai Town Kufu, Babambando to what by Baburia Kanga Kufune. No be a come wait to Bacabado, Kalam Kinama. Kitcha abbey tili problem alone to mo cat ba pumping machine yabo ama wala lenda ka to do ne wala do lenda digital check kan ma kana da tin mo mo tin na ka kweti bo tin na wojo mo ne klan nge continue bro.
So when we test it, we can see to it that it has electrocuted and it is danger.
Okay.
That danger has affected the ground. I'm talking of the earthing system.
All right.
So we can calculate how many more this device is in the world in this world. Okay. That is affecting the ground. And at the same time, how many tender rod is in this world? Every meter has a tender rod.
Okay.
So at the same time, let's look at something here. The earthing system has electrified. All the faces here has electrified.
Because this place is analog.
Because of the analog system.
Okay.
Every device plug here is leaking current and it can lead to fire outbreak, electrocution and other stuff.
Wow.
And this distribution board, which we think can save us from these dangers, let's check and see. When we test it, we can see clearly that this distribution board has also electrified. So when there is fire outbreak or electrocution and someone run towards this device to turn it off, that person can lose his life here.
Okay.
Let's bring it up.
Because every place is electrocuted.
Yes,
okay.
it's electrocuted.
Okay.
By only one device plug on, which is 40.
Wow.
And there is no device to tell you. And also, there is no device to protect the rest of the. Look at the blue face also has electrified.
Okay.
Let me show you. It is because of these dangers of this one device that has caused all the problem of the internet system.
Okay. Wow. So okay, let me address my people. Okay. Timbese alaka ya to no drone ya. Drone sa analog ke kasai tebaka ba kalanda kai ni problem ba be tili tebo mo ka teba be ni yebo ya. Wodi do ke de ma wala de bo tili plug e bo alaka ya se me. Wala de bo do ya alaka no do ko play for sa me ne ya tebaka be kala de kai ya aketu kai no to atembe ne ya le pable badando me no be dambo wala de ko do ya alaka ya se me wala de bo do ne se me endaki alakwe analog component be demune ya kasa to at somewhat in ketite bro. Yeah.
Okay. So this means if you are not an electrician,
Okay.
you must not go closer to this device. It is danger.
Wow.
Every
So
household.
please, what will happen to you?
When you get tagged to this device, you can be electrocuted because of one device has let the whole system be corrupt. So when you run towards to this device to turn it off, that you have seen problem at your household and you want to turn this device off, you can lose your life here because of the analog system.
You are not an electrician.
You are not an electrician.
Okay.
You must not go closer to this, although it is your property. But you must not go closer to this because this device is affecting the whole world by electrocuting, by fire outbreak. This is the cause of the dangers.
Wow.
Sure.
So okay, please, because of the time,
Yeah.
I want you to, come to this, let's come to this place and let's see how the digital tool, will teach us.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, taken do the young digital chain do money like away. No, open do can it. Yeah, okay. Come this way. Yeah.
When you plug something on the digital system,
Okay.
you too,
Please, can I touch it?
you can touch it.
Oh, okay.
Everything is okay.
And nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen.
Okay.
You can turn it on.
Are you sure?
Yeah, turn it on.
But I'm not electrician.
Oh, turn it on.
Okay. Okay. I'm not ready to shoot.
You turn it on.
Okay.
You're not touching it.
Okay.
Within a shorter possible time, you can see clearly that there is a device to tell you and identify that there is fault. So remove the faulty device in the digital system. Remove it. You can remove it. You remove it.
You know.
Unplug it. Unplug it. Pull it off. Pull it down.
Okay.
Have you seen that?
Wow.
The faulty device on it, when removed,
here.
yes, has detected. When removed, so no one will get asleep and at the same time wake up and come and touch him, his device, and the device will electrocute
There
that
will
person
be
to
noise
death.
in the house.
There will be
So
noise.
you
You need to call the electrical engineers to come and look at.
You don't need them. Because everything has shown that
Yes.
there's a faulty.
Yes.
Okay.
They will come and detect and solve that problem for you.
Wow.
So when
But please let me ask this question.
Okay.
So if I mean let's say if you didn't get them,
yes,
and how will you be safe? I mean in the next day, because
Okay.
maybe the fault will come in the night.
this device will make sure to protect every single device on the same distribution board.
Okay.
This means you are safe, but you need to correct the mistake within 24 hours.
Or else
Nothing will happen. But you yourself, because let me say, this is on, and this has leak current.
Okay.
The device is warning you. At the same time, this device has electrocute.
This pump is faulty, so that
Yes.
is okay.
It's supposed to tell you, but it will not affect the internal system of anything here. It will protect the other devices from leakages of current.
After 24 hours.
Not the whole, let me say, 1 week or 2 weeks.
Okay.
But you need to solve that problem the device is telling you.
Before the noise will stop.
Sure,
Okay.
before the noise will stop.
Let me
Explain.
Okay. In a beyond the canal, Tenanya analog digital do ya ne can yanabui. When ba ne kese to at me Alan Bay Ojama Semba Fankano Nekana he. Tenanga ya alakai donea Kufu bidone Kunyoba ne done to at me le public diambo. Now game ba ne kokoya na kufu me na kotana wone. Amai no boy say ne kotata wone ala nke ye on lesa on mangale la tishi ya won dakinga ma kada kwetu akati ne. Memba tin ala kai to ala on kira me na tili den kete sale ta wonel ba de tbaka ala nga ya fula chire ne me na ama ya ma yin nga le problem be ka war na kufu ne nga ma ene chane tete no bele yale. So yeah, okay, because of the time, I think we have let's say 2 or 3 minutes time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
they can go to Deroko Technology company to watch more videos on this practical board on how we can save.
I mean your handles.
Yeah.
Is it TikTok or YouTube?
Yeah, Deroko Technology company on YouTube,
Okay.
Deroko Technology company on Facebook, on X, which is Twitter.
Okay.
They can search Deroko Technology at any, and our website is www.derokotech.com.
Okay.
They can reach us there.
Wow. So please, who built this?
Oh, there is the engineer Roxanne Kojodeba. That is me.
It's you?
Yes.
So-
I built this device.
How many years or did this take you time to? I mean,
Oh, I was working on 7 powerful inventions to eliminate the climate change. So it spent me a decade, which is 10 years, to come out with this powerful 7 inventions. Invention that will eliminate smoke in this world. Invention that will sieve the air to walk away all pandemics in the system.
Come closer, please. Come closer. Yeah. Okay. So let me ask you, please. Are you a pastor or are you no? Are you an occultist?
No, I'm not aquatic.
Are you sure?
I am very sure.
But who teach you this?
It is the divine power of the Most High God.
Powerful.
Yeah, that is
Powerful.
what has.
I'm most grateful. I'm happy for you. And we are all praying that this thing should go viral
Sure.
all over the world.
Sure.
The superpowers. People will see, they will testify, they will say, no, this guy has something unique.
Yes.
So that we have to, also encourage. That is why I came here to
Thank you
also
very much.
teach my people, for them to see the good work you have been doing now. So we know as times goes on, this climate change, let's say this
Problems from electricity will be
I think
solved.
it will be solved.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, bro.
Thank
So my name is Thomas Babindom.
Yeah.
So this is here we are ending. I think in a good and appropriate time we'll come back and then
Okay.
continue with the